Alright, YouTube, what's going on? You're now tuned back into the life of Diesel, and as you can see, it's early as fuck o'clock. But we right here with that HEMI thing, and what we finna do today, man, we finna go up and get a muffler to leak. But first, we gotta go wash it. That's why I'm up early, so I can wash it and be there by the shop at a decent time, so I don't gotta wait that long. But I'm gonna cut y'all back on when we get to the car wash. Let you get a little time lapse of that, and then we're gonna go from there. Actually, I take that back. Y'all know I can't get y'all without the cold start. Alright, we just pulling up at the car wash, man. The boy need to fucking shave. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all this time lapse, me washing the whip, then we're gonna head to the exhaust shop, and we're gonna go from there.
Hey, my nigga, what it do? All the niggas seeing house presidential view. I ain't worried about no hater. I ain't worried about them bitches. I'm just trying to stack my paper up. Bitch, I'm out here on the grind. I ain't never falling back. Nah, nigga, fuck that. I can get my change up. I won't never change up. Nah, nigga, I ain't tripping about the stat. Top left back, bitch, so fitted. Used to dream about it, now I run my city. Thinking about them old hoes that ain't never show me love. Now I pull up and I see them, be like, fuck them, bitch. It ain't about where you from, homeboys, where you going. Pass the damn ball, and you know that I'm scoring. Why I'm ballin' so hard, cause I came from the bottom. Bro told me get him, so you know that I got him. While you sitting on the bench, boy, I'm ballin' like shit.
Alright, we got that 300 thing looking crispy, but now it's time for the finishing touch. It ain't got much, so I gotta stretch it. I'll go around a couple times. As you can see, we just pulled up. We have Mad Max Total Performance. We got to go in there. I'm going to ask them about how much it's going to cost. They probably going to put it up on the lift and look at it first. And then I'll cut y'all back on and let y'all know what they finna do. Alright, I went in there and talked to the dude. The dude said that his muffler guy's not here, so they can't do muffler release or nothing like that until next week. And I'm trying to get my shit today, so we're going to find another exhaust shop. So I'm going to cut y'all back on.
Show you how to get it out. Real recognize, real man don't know y'all about $1 so you know a nigga gon' bang. Stack it up and flip it. I'm a true hustler, I can show you how to get it out. Bitch, I'm on my grind, about them dollar signs, and I ain't pumping no brake.
Alright, we up here at Air Muffler in Brake City. Let's go in here and see what they say. Alright, I take that back. We did not get it there. The dude was not even on the website. It said that they were open at 8. I was there at 9. There was no one there. The door was locked. I said, fuck it. I didn't really trust that shop doing my shit anyway, so maybe it was meant to be. But we're back at Mad Max, but we're at a different location though. So we're going to see if they can do it. Third time's a charm, man. Let's
the gas on full time. I gotta get mine. So nigga, fuck yo. This shit by any means. My niggas cut though. Yo bitch saying she love me because I do my thing. That nigga bossing up. Hit the ice in my chain. Now watch me let it swing. It stand for diesel.
Alright, this shop finally fucking did it, man. Third time's a charm, like I said. heard it, man. That thing's sounding a lot better, man. That's how that thing's supposed to be sounding. But I actually don't think it's loud enough. It's a lot better, but it's not top tier loud. I need that top tier loudness. So next week I'm like go and get the resonators deleted. So stay tuned for that. If it was your first time tuning in, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you don't ever miss no more shit like this, man. I know I ain't uploading no shit in a minute, but trust me, I got some dope content coming your way. So hit the subscribe button, man.